Assalamu alaikum. I'm making this video here because, man, people are really ignorant. First of all, I like to say I am American. I'm American. That's right. And I'm Muslim. I converted. Yeah. Sorry to say, yes, I chose to wear this towel on my head. That's right. Bought it at Walmart. Think it cost me $4.88. Yeah, I have a whole lot of them. It was my decision. Just because I'm Muslim doesn't mean I'm from an Arab country. Yeah, that's right. Muslims can be American too. They can be white like me. These are my eyes. Blue. Not contacts. Blue. Don't tell me to go back to my country, because this is my country. As a matter of fact, my great-great-great-grandfather, yeah, he was a Cherokee Indian. Ha ha ha. Imagine that. Actually, this is my country. This is my country. And all of you who are telling all these people who came here to go back to their country, you're an idiot. Really, you're an idiot. I know it's a shame. I shouldn't be saying these things, but it's real. What are you guys doing? Are we all not human beings? Are we all not the same? Why does what I wear on my head make me any different from you? Why does any of them anything different from you? We are all the same. We all bleed the same. We are all going into the damn ground the same way. We came in the same way. Why can't we come together? Why can't we come together as one? There is things happening in this world that should not be happening right now. And as we're sitting here saying, oh, let's not let the refugees in, they're going to take our jobs. There is a bigger problem here. They don't want your job. They won't even speak our language. They don't have anywhere else to go. Where are they going to go? Where are they going to go? Really, I mean, let's think. Someone comes into your country, blows up your house, blows up your family members. Where are you going to go? You're going to want somewhere to go. You're going to wish you had some place to go. Let's not be heartless. Who cares about religion? And to be really, really honest, there's a lot of people who are coming over here who are not Muslim like me. They're Christian. Christian just like you. They could be Catholic. You don't know. Stop judging. Stop judging people. Stop judging for who you think they should be, because you're not who they think you should be. You are not perfect. No one here is perfect. None of us. So stop judging everybody and stop pointing fingers and stop accusing and stop saying this person did that, that person did. You don't even know. You just talk. Talk for what? You don't even know what you're saying because you heard it on the media? You heard the news tell you? Oh, all Muslims are from ISIS. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something for all of you who think that we sit around in our mosque and we plot and plan. As a matter of fact, what we did today in our masjid, we got together and we listened about how when people, it really upsets me. When people were coming here long ago, they were accepted. They were accepted here. Your families were accepted here. What happened? What happened that you think you're so good? You're so much better than everyone else that they shouldn't have a right to come here. They shouldn't be here. We talked about opening our homes, opening our lives, opening up our hearts to other people, to being friendlier, to showing the Christians, to showing anyone who is not in our religious belief that we are good people, that we are not what you guys think we are. That's what we talk about. We don't talk about, let's make a bomb. Let's figure out how we're going to destroy another country. No, we really are peaceful. I know that sounds ridiculous, and it's our own faults. We're not showing the peace because people are getting angry. People are getting upset about what's being said about them. But it's real. It's real. I chose this religion because it's real. I am an adult. I am a grown woman. I have children, and I made the choice to become Muslim because it is the best for me. Maybe not for you. Maybe you don't know about it yet. But for me, it is the best. And for many other people in this world, it is the best. And I stand behind my religion 100%. And for any of you who have any questions, ask me. And if you don't believe, it's okay. You don't have to. You don't have to. But leave us alone. We don't bother you. Why are you bothering us? Why are you attacking us? Why are you pulling off our hijabs as we walk down the street? Please, I wish you pull off my hijab. I wish, because you're going to get a surprise, because I'm not going to stand back and I'm not going to cover myself. As a matter of fact, if you took off my hijab, you might be stunned by how beautiful I am and feel really bad about what you did, because you are not going to shame me. Pulling off my hijab is not shame for me. I am too good for that. You guys, really, you gotta stop. This is getting out of hand. It's crazy. And we don't fear you. We have God. And whether you want to think that God, or what we say, Allah, which is just an Arabic word for God, is something different than your God, it's not. It's the same God. We don't believe that the Christian God is a different God from us. No, it's the same God. Whoever told you this? Don't be ignorant. Get into some books. Read, educate yourself, ask a Muslim, meet a Muslim. You'll see how amazing we really are. How open, how pure-hearted. Yes, we're not all perfect, and neither are all of you. But we want the best for all of us, for humanity. This isn't about religion. Stop separating all of us into sects, into differences. We are not different. Not black, not green, not yellow. We are all the same. We really are. We need to stop. This needs to stop.